Abstract Expressionism emerged in the United States as a distinct art movement in the immediate aftermath of World War II.
The term Abstract Expressionism is believed to have first been used in Germany in 1919. In the magazine, there is term in reference to German Expressionism. Alfred Barr used this term in 1929 to describe works by Wassily Kandinsky.
Characteristics of abstract expressionism include non-objective works that are not represented in nature.
Instead, the artist uses large brushstrokes, drips of paint, and color swatches to create two-dimensional canvas that reflects the artist's emotional and subconscious state.
Action painters, which included William de Kooning and Jackson Pollock, worked in 1940s until the early 1960s.
Color-filled painters used large swaths of single color in a large format to produce meditative, spiritual canvases that created sublime sense of stillness and contemplation in the viewer.
American colored-filled painters included Clifford Steele, Barnett Newman, and Mark Rothko.